Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable smart calling in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility here. Then open smart motion, and here you will find smart calling. Just click on smart calling here, and you will find here smart call. Just turn on this button smart call, and so that you can call your contact by putting the phone to your ear when on the contact details or call details interface. In this way, you can easily enable smart calling in your phone iQOO Z9s 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.